So the second half of Ode to Joy, right hand, fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and notes middle C, D, E, F, G. And we go by finger numbers, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. And the notes this time, D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, D, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Okay, and again for the rhythm, for those of you who'd like to be able to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, now the left hand is from low C, D, E, F, G. So again our two black keys, C to the left. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for most of this we'll be playing 5 and 1, either together or singly. So just to see when the left comes in, it'll come in like this. So 5 and 1, then just 1, 1 again, and see if you can try this, 5, 3 and 1, and 1 again, so line 1 again, C and G together on the left, G on its own, and again, then C, E and G, G again, and again. So it'll sound like this with a bit of practice. Okay, line 2, 5 and 1 again, 1, 1 again, 5, 3 and 1 again, 1 again, and 5, both C's together. So the note names this time, C and G, G, and G again, C, E and G, G, and low C. Okay, for the next line it's mostly finger 1. So 1, 1 again, and 1 again, 1 again, and 1. Okay, and the same as line 1. And the line 2 ending, 5, 3 and 1 this time. So just the last line again with the numbers. 5 and 1, 1, 1, 5, 3 and 1, 1, 5 and 3 and 1. Okay, finally, I listen right through the tune, left hand and right hand.